We're getting some breaking news that's coming in from Uttar Pradesh. This is from Gorakhpur. Violence has broken out in Gorakhpur. There was a nomination for block chief that was taking place. These are the initial visuals that we are getting right now. It's a developing story. Stones are being pelted on BJP nominee Vandana Singh's convoy. They have accused Samajwadi Party supporters of this violence that's taking place. Some BJP workers, we are being told, have also received injuries. Police are trying to contain the escalating situation. So definitely for now, the situation is getting serious there in Gorakhpur. Abhishek Mishra, my colleague, to get us all the latest. Abhishek, what exactly happened? How can a nomination process suddenly turn violent? And why is this being accused with Samajwadi Party supporters allegedly hurling stones?
Well, absolutely. With the fact, today is the block president nominations going on in Uttar Pradesh, and we are seeing many reports coming here where this kind of situation is happening. At the same time, Samajwadi Party is alleging the BJP to using its own machinery and power in order to make sure that not much of the nominations can happen from the Samajwadi Party side. But on the other hand, the parties also stick on the fact that they will get most of the nominations. On the contrary, BJP has tried all the allegations, and they are saying that it is open for all, and the administration is doing their respective work. But the situation which is coming in Gorakhpur, in Sitapur, and at several places where is the situation where there is the workers and of the party of Samajwadi Party, and at the same time the BJP workers are also there. So it is indeed going to be a tough situation, but the nomination is going on, and with that it remains to be seen how many nominations will be happening today, as the BJP is targeting most of the seats just the way that they have targeted the district panchayat polls. Yes.
All right, Abhishek, keep tracking all the latest. Appears to be a serious situation. Stones are being pelted. Also, vehicles are being targeted. Appears to be allegations between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Samajwadi Party.